Morning, everyone. Steve Georgi here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It is May 27th. Welcome back from a holiday weekend. We've had good planning conditions over the weekend for a lot of areas. A lot of guys are going to be focused on this afternoon at 3 o'clock. What kind of planning progress have we made? For corn, they're looking at 84 to 87% as far as planted for corn. 5-year average sits at 88. Beans, 55 to 57%. Average is 52. So very good conditions out there in a lot of areas. We've gotten some rain. It looks like we could continue to see these storms pop up over the next few days. Something else interesting, last Friday, the CFTC released their commitments to traders reports. Showed that managed money reduced net positions for corn, 47,472. For wheat, 20,871, and then in beans, 10,844. So something to take away there, that they have been lowering positions, and they've taken some of their longs here off the table. Still quite a bit long here, though, for corn and for wheat. I'm sorry, corn and beans. Also over the weekend, there was elections in Ukraine. They did elect a new president, and we continue to see these tensions, though, between the Ukraine and Russia kind of back off a little bit. So we're seeing some easing there. So not a lot of buildup there that's really keeping some support under the wheat market. And as we look across things here this morning, wheat down about 8.5 cents. Corn right now dropping back about 6, but beans 10 lower for old crop, 15 lower right now for new crop. So we are seeing some pressure from things that we've mentioned here already. Looking at livestock, probably going to see a mixed opening for cattle. After a disappointing week last week, we should see traders looking at some pretty good demand here early this week as they try to restock the shelves after the Memorial Day holiday. But boxed beef finishing up 19 for choice. Select down 26, so kind of mixed as far as wholesale beef prices. Cattle did finish last week at 144. That's $1 lower, and that is the lowest trade and the lowest finish for the week since February 21st. So we'll see what kind of demand we get this week on beef. For hogs, cutout values up 128. Can we see the wholesale pork finally make the turn? It seems like it's one day up, next day down. But producers are putting on about 14 extra pounds from where we were a year ago. So guys are looking for less hogs to show up because of PED and actually lower slaughter numbers as we go into summer. But they're coming in heavier as well. So, that's what's keeping prices under some pressure for now, but continue to watch that as we get into June and into July here, whether or not these PED numbers really will show up as strong as guys suggest they may. One other thing I do want to mention today, though, we do have an Ag Leaders webinar, 8 o'clock this afternoon, or 8 o'clock tonight. Please go online and register, or you can give us a call. We're going to talk about the markets. Also have a biofuel analyst come on and talk to you guys about basically the biofuels and how they are going to impact the U.S. grain prices. So very good webinar. It's free. You just need to go ahead and go on the website and log on. And we've got a lot of good stuff for you guys there tonight. So give us a call if you guys have any questions at all. You can reach us here at 800-262-7538 or check us out right on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day. We'll talk to you again tomorrow morning. Take care.